Oh, hey guys. I was just admiring a review of this Japanese koi pond that Kyle Polypomona has. However, there may be a chance in the future that you might not be able to see this again. Those clips that I just introduced to you, the pollution by factories, the melting of ice glaciers, and the endangerment of animal species that we may not ever see again. This could be connected to all but one issue: climate change. Climate change is not an issue that Americans are facing, but also people around the world are currently facing this issue as well. Some of you may wonder, what is climate change? Or have the United States or the world have taken certain measures to prevent climate change? What can we do about climate change? Or what are the vital signs of climate change? Those questions will be discussed in this video.
What is climate change? Climate change is a long-term change in the Earth's climate, especially a change due to an increase in the average atmospheric temperature.
But wait, what are some specific vital signs that climate change is actually occurring?
According to NASA's measurement of carbon dioxide, in January of 2005, the CO2 levels were 378.21 parts per million. In the latest measurement in January 2016, the levels measured to be 402.26, which is a 24.05 increase since 2005.
Global temperature in 1880 was measured by NASA to be as low as negative 0.19 degrees Celsius. In a recent measurement in 2015, it is measured to be as high as 0.87 degrees Celsius, making the year 2015 the warmest year on record.
Rising sea levels, which is related to the added water from melting ice glaciers and expansion of seawater as it warms, has risen with an estimate of 61.3 millimeters increase from January 1993 to November 2015.
Is the US and world organizations doing anything to prevent climate change? Are they taking any policies to prevent climate change? If so, what are the policies?
In the COP21 summit, countries around the world agreed to review each country's contribution by cutting emissions every 5 years, keeping global temperatures well below 2 degrees Celsius and to 1.5 degrees Celsius, limiting the amount of greenhouse gases emitted by human activity to the same levels that trees and soil and oceans can absorb naturally, beginning at some point between 2050 and 2100.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Mr. Garcia, working for CNN, and today we have a very special guest. The President of the United States came to pay us a little visit to talk a little bit about climate change. Mr. President.
Thank you, Mr. Garcia. Hello, my fellow Americans. My name is President Barack Obama, and I'm going to address a very important issue that Americans are facing today. This issue is climate change. Climate change needs to be addressed as soon as possible.
Mr. President, how are you going to combat climate change?
To combat climate change, I recently passed a legislation known as the Clean Power Plan. The Clean Power Plan is the plan to reduce carbon emissions by 32%.
Mr. President, how will this affect the American people?
As a result, the Clean Power Plan will protect the health of American families, boosting our economy by creating thousands of jobs and protecting the way Americans live, work, and play. Thank you.
So what can we do to help prevent climate change? Now, it all depends on you.
As we come to a conclusion to this video, you do not need to be a politician or a scientist to contribute to prevent climate change. In fact, you can still get involved by doing the little things, whether you're at work, at school, or at home. Reduce, reuse, recycle, use water effectively, spread the word, and switch to public transportation, biking, carpooling, etc. You may feel that these are concepts that elementary school kids are taught or that you have other things to worry about. Think about the impact that you are doing and you are leaving for the future generations. We want everybody to get the same opportunity to live a long and healthy life. No child's life should be cut short.
So are you ready for that final, man?
I'm gonna feel that.
Yeah, I'm gonna feel that thing too. I don't know what to do. I mean, it's time to really go for that.
Change